I know I gave it months ago. I know you're trying to forget. I know I gave it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mara Cherie. If you guys are new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm going to jump right into it, and we're going to go in with the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Clarifying Facial Wipes to get most of the makeup off of my face before I actually cleanse my face. Once I'm all done using that wipe, as you can see, it's completely filthy. Then I'm gonna go in with my Clinique liquid facial soap. This soap is for oily to combination skin. I have normal skin, but this is the one that works best for me. I'm gonna go in with 2 pumps of that. And I am just going to lather up my face really good just to get all that excess makeup off and make my face really clean. Once I'm done, I'm gonna rinse my face off, and then I'm gonna pat dry with a clean towel. Then I'm gonna go in with my Clinique Clarifying lotion. This is to exfoliate my face and get all of the dead skin cells off of my face. I was a little sad because my pad was disintegrating, it's coming apart. Then I'm gonna go in with my Moly facial mask. I chose the Pore Care one because I had that makeup on for like 13 hours, and when I tell you guys that this scent, it smelled so good. I just wanted to eat whatever they put in it. Like, it smells so good. But anyway, you're gonna go ahead and apply this to your face. You're gonna make sure that this facial mask is nice and flat. That way your skin can absorb all of the product. Once you've got that on there nice and flat, you're gonna go ahead and wait 20 minutes, and then you're gonna peel it off. I'm just showing you guys that excess product that comes off. And you're gonna go ahead and rinse your face lightly